Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most charming additions to your fall decor lineup. The best stackable pumpkins for front porch available in the market. These stackable pumpkins are not just any seasonal decorations. They're designed to bring a touch of whimsy and elegance to your front porch or indoor spaces. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, they offer a perfect blend of durability and aesthetic appeal. Let's talk about what sets these pumpkins apart. Each piece is carefully hand-painted to capture the vibrant colors of autumn, from warm oranges to deep browns and greens. The attention to detail is remarkable, making them a standout feature in any seasonal display. What I love most about these stackable pumpkins is their versatility. Whether you're decorating for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or simply embracing the fall spirit, they effortlessly complement any setting. Plus, their stackable design allows you to customize the arrangement to suit your space. Now, let's talk practicality. Made from high-quality materials, these pumpkins are built to withstand outdoor conditions, ensuring they'll look stunning year after year. They're lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to move around and store when not in use. Another standout feature is their ease of assembly. No tools required. Simply stack them up and you're ready to go. This makes them not only a decorative asset but also a convenient choice for busy homeowners looking to add a festive touch without the hassle. While we don't rely solely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that these pumpkins have garnered praise for their durability and eye-catching design. Customers appreciate how they instantly elevate the look of their porches and receive compliments from neighbors and guests alike. In conclusion, if you're searching for a standout piece to enhance your front porch decor this season, look no further than these stackable pumpkins. With their impeccable craftsmanship, vibrant colors, and effortless charm, they're sure to become a favorite part of your autumn tradition. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.